Welcome, today I am with Huawei FreeBuds 4 and I will show you how we can check serial number of these buds. We got 3 methods: on the case, on our box, and in the smartphone. Let's start from opening AI Live application and I will show you how to check it in the smartphone. Open case of your FreeBuds 4, then select them right here, click on the right upper corner and go for the device settings. Then pick device information and the serial number will appear in this place, as you can see. It's right here. We can also check the serial number when you take a look closer right here. I'm going to zoom in to show you how it looks inside. I hope that you are able to see it clearly. Oh, I probably have to use the flashlight for my second smartphone because it's too dark inside. Let me show you like this. Okay, as you can see right now. Wait a minute, I have to put it like that. The serial number we can find right here, but I cannot catch focus, maybe because of this one. And let me zoom in a little bit closer. Okay, maybe like that. Damn, it's too close. Okay guys, never mind, but if you take a look closer right here on the right earbud, you will find the serial number. I cannot show you it on the camera, unfortunately. And we got also another option when you grab your box. The serial number of these earbuds you will find in this place. So we got 3 methods. I show you 2 of them, but the third I'm unable. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.